Do you ever feel like you're working all day, but making zero progress and even less money? You sit down with big plans, only to get sucked into YouTube, Instagram, or a 6-hour rabbit hole about ancient pyramid conspiracies. Just me? But what if I told you the secret to earning more, faster, isn't another time management app, isn't another course, and definitely isn't another cup of coffee? It's your room. More specifically, your workspace. In this video, I'll share powerful, science-backed tips from the Japanese book, The Reason Why You Can't Focus is Your Room. It hasn't been translated into English, so unless you read Japanese, this is the closest you'll get to its goldmine of insights. Let's break down how your environment can either sabotage your goals or supercharge your focus and income. Seriously, stop scrolling. Grab your phone. Take a photo of your desk, right now. Why? Because your brain adapts to mess like it's wallpaper. What feels normal might actually be killing your productivity and your potential earnings. Studies from UCLA show that cluttered environments increase cortisol, the stress hormone. Stress equals brain fog. Brain fog equals mistakes. Mistakes equal lost time. Lost time equals lost money. You get the picture. When you look at your desk through a camera lens, you see it from a fresh angle, like an investor inspecting their assets. If your desk looks like a junk drawer exploded, it's time to clean up your portfolio, literally. Let's get real. Do you need 3 highlighters, 2 phone cases, a Rubik's Cube, and a plant that's more dead than alive? According to Princeton research, every single item in your field of view demands a piece of your mental energy. And if you're spending energy noticing junk, you're not using that energy to make money. Be ruthless. Keep only what helps you produce. Laptop, notebook, pen that works, and maybe water or coffee. Not 4 old mugs from last week. Clutter is the enemy of clarity. Clarity leads to execution. Execution leads to results. Results lead to, you guessed it, money. Multitasking feels productive, but in reality, it's like trying to make 5 sandwiches with 2 hands and 1 toaster. You'll end up hungry and annoyed. A Microsoft study shows multitasking can drop productivity by up to 40%. That's a massive chunk of potential income you're throwing away. Instead, set up zones for different tasks, like have one for writing and planning, another for meetings or calls, and then one more for deep focus work, where there's no phone and no distractions. When your environment is purpose-built for a specific task, your brain just enters that mode faster, saving you time, energy, and honestly making your work more valuable. Stuck in a rut? Change rooms, change chairs, heck, sit on the floor if you need to. So a University of California study actually found that alternating between different spaces helps you sustain focus and engagement. That's why, people flock to cafes, co-working spaces, or even just the kitchen table. A new setting, honestly, gives your brain a creative jolt. That can help you come up with fresh ideas, close deals faster, or finally finish that pitch deck you've been putting off. If you're freelancing, side hustling, or building a business, your brain is your biggest asset. So really, keep it stimulated. At the end of your day, take 5 minutes, just 5, to clean and reset your desk. It's like brushing your teeth. Boring, easy to skip, but absolutely essential. This small habit means tomorrow, you're not wasting 20 minutes searching for that one important thing. You're starting clean, clear, and ready to earn from minute 1. Also, tidying up signals to your brain that the workday is over, essential if you work from home, and your kitchen table is also your CEO desk. No joke, natural sunlight can literally make you more productive and profitable. Studies from Northwestern University show that people exposed to natural light sleep better, perform better, and are overall more energized. Cornell research adds that natural light reduces eye strain by 51%. That's less squinting, more typing, and, honestly, fewer headaches. If your desk is stuck in a dark corner, move it, put it near a window, open the blinds, and, just bask in the glow of future income. Even better, that lighting makes your Zoom calls look fire. Professionalism equals trust equals clients equals cash. You wouldn't expect a chef to work with a dull knife. So why are you trying to run your business on a laggy laptop and a wobbly chair? Good gear doesn't have to break the bank, but it totally pays for itself in time saved and work done. Invest in a real chair that supports your spine, not punishes it. Use noise-canceling headphones if you're in a noisy house. And get a mouse, keyboard, second monitor, whatever makes work smoother and faster. Fewer distractions equals more output per hour, which means more income per day. Simple math. After applying these changes to my own setup, I started finishing tasks twice as fast. That meant I could take on more freelance clients, launch projects quicker, and, honestly, stop working nights just to catch up. And the best part, I didn't need to work harder. I just removed the things holding me back. Once your space is set up for success, money comes easier. Because now you're not wasting time, you're building momentum. And honestly, momentum is the real secret to scaling your income. So next time you feel unmotivated or stuck, don't ask, why can't I focus? Instead ask, what in my room is slowing me down? Make these small changes and seriously, just watch how fast your productivity and income skyrocket. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, like it, share it with your favorite entrepreneur or side hustler, and I'll see you next time. Until then, clean your desk, focus your mind, and go make that money.